You don't have a traffic problem, you have a trust problem. So here's why your landing page isn't turning visitors into booked appointments. Most landing pages, they talk about the business. They don't really talk about the main pain points of the target audience. And in this video, I want to discuss how you can fix this and then increase your appointment booking rate. So who am I and why should you listen to me? Over the last 5 years, I've been building landing pages. I've built over 100 landing pages. So I'm sharing the things I have seen work across different industries, and hopefully you are able to apply them to yours as well. So the problem we're trying to solve here is if you have built a landing page, but the traffic you send to that landing page, there's no conversion on the page, right? They don't really do anything. They just view your page and leave. So this is assuming you already send traffic to your page. So what you do is you do the call for, right? And I'm quoting Alex Omozi here, but you can do cold outreach, warm outreach, paid ads, and content, like I'm recording right now. Do this one of these 4 things and then send traffic to your page. Once you get into that step, then you can apply the fixes I'm about to discuss here. So first, I'm assuming traffic being sent to your page. You need to build a lead magnet. Now, what is a lead magnet? It's basically a complete solution to a narrow problem. Again, quoting Alex Omozi there. But the point is for you to give something valuable to your target audience, to the lead, that allows them to stay on the page and take a certain action. So think, how can I solve a problem that the person is concerned with, right? So you need to pick the problem, like decide, okay, what problem are you going to solve for them? You need to pick how you want to solve it. Is it a fraction of a service? Is it a little software? Is it a PDF, maybe like information that you give them, like a video, a PDF, or some sort of checklist? And then you pick how you deliver it, and then you basically wrap your landing page around that. So you present it on your landing page. So that's what makes the person stay on your landing page and then convert, right? By converting, they want to consume whatever value you have created, right? So your landing page tells them about that value, and then they take action on your landing page to get that value. Now, the action could be they download a PDF, it could be they sign up to your software, it could be they book an appointment with you, right, which is what I specialize in. But basically, the point is they take an action. So like I said earlier, you want to rewrite the copy of your landing page to fit the lead magnet, right? And then make it easy for them to consume it and take action. Have your CTA buttons on multiple places in the landing page. Okay, so enough talking about this. I'm actually going to go build a lead magnet right now and show you like what the result looks like, what a sample lead magnet looks like. All right, so this is a lead magnet I've been able to throw together and put it on a landing page. So the clear problem I'm trying to solve here is find out how much money you're actually losing by not calling your leads instantly, right? By not responding to scheduled meetings in 5 minutes. This is kind of like my own offer, and this will be relevant to my target audience. So you click on Start My Audit. First, I'm capturing information here. Right, so just to fill this out. So this is kind of like a little friction, a little gatekeeping before they get access to the lead magnet. I should have clarified this particular lead magnet is an ROI calculator. So this is the software version of what I discussed. Yours might not necessarily be software. It might be PDF, it might be a video, right? It might be a checklist, it could be anything, right? Mine just happens to be software, the one I decided to build. And so people can like just use this just to illustrate whatever. I'm not really thinking about my answers here. Show rate is 9%, close rate is 9%, whatever. $1,000. And then it calculates the lost revenue. So this is kind of like how my own landing page works. And then my call to action here is, if you're ready to recover this revenue, then book your strategy call. If they don't book the strategy call, then I already have their email address in the backend that allows me to follow up with them. And that is also super important when you are building your lead magnets. You want to have a method of contacting them. So in exchange for the lead magnets, you get the lead, right? Which is their contact information. Could be name, email, phone number, all that stuff. So yeah, this is how I go around building landing pages into lead magnets. So hopefully you're able to apply some of these things in your own landing pages. I hope you got some value from that. And if you did, or if you have any questions, just drop a comment and I'll respond to you. All right, till the next episode. Ciao.